Good morning, students. Today is June 17th. I wanted to go over some of the test questions, and I wanted to talk about the Darwin's finches real quick. We stated in yesterday's class that Darwin's finches was used as a symbol of adaptation and evolution in a species because we know that Darwin's finches came from one ancestor, but however, they migrated to different islands in the Galapagos Islands off the coast of Ecuador to become different species. And one major distinction between all of those birds was their beaks. So I found that a lot of the test questions happen to talk about birds' beaks. Here, this one was very tricky, and I don't want to give away the answer. I don't want to go over because it takes a lot of thinking to do. So I'm gonna basically tell you how to do it. So you have bird A, bird B, bird C, bird D. You have to decide which one is a Baird sparrow. In order, you have to look at the steps. You have to look at the characteristics of these different types of birds. And I'll give you one hint. One of these birds is a symbol of America. If you think that's a Baird sparrow, then you are wrong. One of them is a symbol of America, so that leaves you off with three. This is an American bald eagle. Beautiful, beautiful eagle. All right. Anyway, so there's two birds that are very similar. And for number four, you're supposed to decide which characteristic could best be used to distinguish between birds B and C. So B and C, which characteristics? Okay. So you have all these options. I'll let you do that. So this question right here as well. This one also shows how the birds speak. Let's read it. Let me read it out. The diagram below shows the head structure of four different birds. The birds' beaks show how the birds. So you have to read these different. What does the beaks show? What does this bird do? Okay, number five. What eventually happens to a species when the environment changes and the organisms do not adapt? Oh, you guys should know this one. Okay, and last one, 27. The map shows below. Oh, nope, this is for seventh grade. But we can go over it. It's still the eighth grade exam. The map below shows the current position of South America and Africa. Points A and B represents area on the two continents where the scientists have discovered fossils of the same animal species. How does the theory of plate tectonics explain the location of these fossils? So we talked about plate tectonics too, guys. We went over it. So wow, this is true. There were dinosaurs that were in Argentina that were found in different places of the world, like Africa, and they scientists put two and two together along with other reasoning to state what I can't give it away because we went over this one in class. You all should be screaming at the top of your lungs right now. Okay, so that concludes my review of the questions. I don't know. I think I feel like I'm missing one. I think I got this confused with another question. So please, if there's a question I missed out, don't feel free to let me know. Okay, that is all.